A lot of times with shoulder pain in the active population, there's a lot of adhesion in and around the rotator cuff. Not too many people know one part of your rotator cuff is in the front of your shoulder, not just the back. It's called your subscapularis, and it sits in your armpit. Those of you who are aware of this probably have had it treated before by somebody jamming their finger into your armpit, and it's very effective. So we do that when necessary, but we also use our radial pressure wave system to do that. It's equally, if not more effective, and it's a lot less painful. So this is what it looks like. So we're gonna get that shoulder on tension. So at subscapularis, we're feeling some tension through here. And then we're just gonna turn this machine on, and we're putting sound waves into that area of restriction in that subscapularis muscle here. So as we go through, we can get a lot deeper than most practitioners can get with their hands. So we're able to treat parts of this muscle that other people can't. And not only are we going to get this instantaneous increase in range of motion, we're going to get an increase in range of motion that sustains permanently, provided that the athlete has good recovery practices.